I know we're starting it with a Ford in the video, but trust me, it's an El Camino video. What's in the back here is something I picked up from my buddy Josh, Outlaw Upholstery. He does got a channel here on YouTube, by the way. This is for the El Camino. Now, I had a set of bucket seats done too, but, you know, I went with the bench seat. The F-150 is running because a viewer, one of you guys or girls, told me where my vacuum hose went to, and thank you for that. Appreciate it if you're watching. Now we made it to the El Camino. Project Elco. Guess that's what we can call it. I don't know. Oh God! It don't have hood hinge helpers. Let's flip the camera around so I can use my good shoulder. So this is the engine. That's my hood prop. I've been hunting for that. Come here, Mr. Hood Proppy. Down you go. Ta-da. So it looks like everything we done to it has pretty much aged terribly in the last several months, where it has been setting. I don't know if it's got more rat poo on it now, or if that was already on it, but the video I'm about to show you is when we first started this. Now in the coming days and weeks, this is going to have to be first started again, because it has been setting a while. But not as long as it initially did. But take a look at this engine. It's not improved any. Does it? I don't know. We got this battery tray here, needs replaced. That's a new fuel pump we installed. Looks like shit. We got all kinds of meat doo-doo up top. I think that's old. Pretty sure it's old. We got the distributor over here covered because we don't want water running down onto it. As you can see, it's what's been happening. It's missing its piece of rubber across the top. We'll address all that in future videos. Yeah. Open. Ooh. Still latched. Walk over all this junk that's in my way. I have no need for any more. I give them 4 lug limbs to them Maverick that's on the channel. Putting a 5 lug rim under it. Don't need 4 lug limbs. I mean, you could use them, but why would you want to? Magic. Open. Okay, we put some pressure on this. We're using our caveman skills, and with that being some pressure, I go pull the lever, it should pop up. Open. It's gonna be one of these kind of cars. We got some help while they worked the lever on the inside. I basically punched this up and down. So that's the big fiberglass hood with no shocks. Go figure. Let's put us a thing here so we don't get killed. If it works, is it stupid? That's a big, supposedly 355, maybe 350, 400. It's not a 305 because the skinny harmonic bouncer. Still not, 305's got a big fat one on them. Put a battery in it, and it's got a filter on it, so we don't have to worry about stuff going into the gas. Since this ain't never been started in forever, let's see if it froze. Don't seem to be. Do a look over, check. I'm gonna try to turn this over by hand. Okay, I'm gonna grab the fan. Let's see. Oh, it turns. It turned a little. Okay, that's good. It turns. So it felt good when turning it over. Had a little bit of catch to begin with, but it's been setting. How's the oil? Not milky? Oh, and the oil is clean. So this thing has fresh oil in it. Pretty fresh. So it has been messed with. Haha. So it ain't been setting for a decade. Well, it might be setting for a decade, but this engine is definitely been messed with. I got a battery. Since we don't know that, let's get this good. Ever start. Oh, come right out of my F-150. Let's see. This goes to the starter. It says positive on it. Oh, okay. Just spin these around. No problem at all. Okay. If you ain't got a hammer, you kind of just use what the environment gives you. Let's tap this on. Connected. I got a pair of vice grips. And now, of course, these have been set and you want to do a fire test on them. Everybody knows that. And just because you don't want your new hot rod to burn down and mice and stuff gets in these and they chew them up. But I'm gonna be honest, this battery could be just dead too. This ain't the best battery I got. So we know it's got oil. We know it turns over, so I'm just gonna crank it. It might be out of time for all I know. I might have to give it a little bit of fuel. Well, I'm gonna have to give it a little bit of fuel, ain't no doubt about that. Yeah, just hit it for a second. Don't wanna crank her guts out. You ain't gonna crank? We didn't have no keys. Old cars usually don't, but look like somebody solved that issue a long time ago. They got it where you just push in here. But the thing is, no, somebody was pretty smart, knows exactly what it is. Now I got another steering column in the Camino, and I guess we will be replacing that because it looks like it did a lot of damage. It broke his whole housing out. Good thing is, even though we have to change the steering column, that I have keys. Old car issues. Maybe it got a toggle switch in it. Camino's got a toggle switch. You turn the key on, it toggles. You hit a toggle switch and it just cranks. Not the this steering wheel. I like it. And then down here, just it's been cooked. Look like it's been on fire. Crank. Whoa, whoa, whoa! We hit something. Crank. Crank. Oh, okay. Starter's froze. Okay, so that's gonna be complicated. Try to fill this up. I forgot where to fill these at. It needs some drinkage. Now, you could use 2-stroke oil. Oh, it got a manual choke. It does. That's it. It's open. Go ahead. Crank her. Look like it pumps some fuel. That's good. Having trouble with it? I had to work the key switch. Oh, it runs. I be. Is it taking gas? A little tiny, maybe valve train noise. Now that's something rubbing. Some vibrating. Maybe fan travel. Yep, over it off. It's chewing away at it. Okay. No smoke. of it. I don't know if it's charging. It got my voltmeter. It's gonna sit here and run. We're gonna let it run. It quit. It just run out of gas in the bowl. So it might be out of gas. Why not have a gas tank on it? What's in our old reservoir here? I better check this before we let it run any. Okay. That's nice. Ugh. Okay. It's got some in it. Some is better than none. Come on. Come on, gas. Come out. Don't sound like the throat's is sticky or anything. Just enough. Oh, that's way too much. Okay. We're good as long as it don't backfire. I gotta work the pump gas. Does it move? Okay. Hold it. Whoops. It ain't got no fuel. It's just gonna idle off the idle socket. Oh, can you quit, man? I think that's the fan. There's something else. Whoa. Wait. It's something bad one. Also, it don't got a cam. It don't sound like it got a cam. Oh, smoking a little. I smell antifreeze. Okay. Looks. Why do I smell antifreeze? Is that the water pump rattling out here? It died. Went out of fuel. Yeah, is that the water pump? Okay, maybe it is. That's a lot of movement. Okay. It would be leaking, wouldn't it? Huh. How's this look? Milkshakey yet? Still clean. So it does one. If it had been setting as long as it has, it sounds pretty smooth. I'm gonna just disconnect it, turn my key off. Disconnected. I'm gonna leave these here for now. And that just broke. Look at that. Get on now. Where'd you come from? Eastwood? Summit? Don't know. It runs. It sounds pretty good. Do not think it's got a cam. Well, it's clean. Smells like good fluid. It's a little low, but somebody was actually going to, you know, fix this up. I don't think the fluids, I guess if you didn't run it and you did park it a decade ago, the fluids would still look clean in it. But it just seems like somebody's been messing around in here, you know, before. Has somebody tried to get it running and maybe they didn't? I'm surprised actually. I thought this would be a battle, but the Camino was pretty simple to get going too. It wasn't much a matter would hit. These old cars, even though it's set, these motors, as long as moisture don't get super bad on them. I mean, even if moisture gets and you get one that's kind of stuck, it can come back. It can. I did it many other times. And while I'm thinking about it, we need to put a hammer back up. There we go. Hope you enjoyed hopefully you're going to enjoy this car in the future. We got plenty of projects here on the channel, so if you're new, get subscribed. If you got an El Camino and you found this video, what year is yours? What's your plans for it? Let me know in the comment section.